Every night, the antique typewriter in my study sat untouched, gathering dust. Tonight, as I entered the room, the air felt colder, heavier. Its keys began to press down, one after another, slow and deliberate. Letters formed words, "Do not turn around." My breath caught, heart pounding. The clacking grew faster, frantic. The message repeated, over and over. I stayed frozen, but curiosity clawed at me. Against my better judgment, I spun on my heel. The room was empty, except for my own shadow, now stretching toward me, grinning, hands outstretched.